Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can play music through your microphone on your computer. So whether you want to play music through your microphone via Discord or just a game or another application in general, then this guide will be exactly for that. And the first thing we're going to need is an application called VoiceMod. So just head over to an internet browser, and this is completely free to download. We just need to head over to a search engine like Google, and then just type in VoiceMod space download and hit enter. Then come over to this top search result here, and once you're on the VoiceMod official website, we just need to scroll down and select Get VoiceMod Free. Once again, this is completely free to download and it's a very small application, so it won't require much space on your computer. So before we can download it, we just need to create an account. So you can choose to log in with any of your third-party applications like Discord, Twitch or Google, or you can just create an account using an email address. So once the download started, you'll get a pop-up of where you want this file to be saved to. I'm just going to have it in my downloads folder over here and hit save. And then once the file's finished downloading, you can either access it via your browser over here, or we can just come over to our file explorer, head over to the downloads folder, and then we're going to double click on this VoiceMod installer over here. Now you'll just need to follow the instructions on screen to download this to your PC. So I'm going to go ahead and select next, agree to the terms and conditions and hit next, choose where you want this application to be saved to, usually within the C drive is absolutely fine, hit next, click next again, and then we can press install. So just give this a few seconds to install to your computer, and once that's finished installing, we can select launch VoiceMod over here and press finish. Now you'll get a screen pop up like this. We just need to hit get started. Then this will redirect you back to the VoiceMod login page, and you'll need to re-enter your login information. That's going to send us back over to the application and log us in our application. So just follow the steps on screen and hit next. Inside of here, you'll need to select your default microphone. So for me, I'm using this Yeti microphone over here, and you'll also need to locate your speakers or headphones. For me, I'm just going to have my audio playing out of my laptop speakers, then hit next. And finally, we can press start using VoiceMod. Now inside of here, we'll have a bunch of options. You can change your voice and do things like that, but the thing we're interested in is this soundboards over in the left hand side here. So as you can see, there'll already be some default sounds added inside of here that you can play via your microphone, but of course if you want to add your own music, we can absolutely do that. Just come over to this add button on the right here, and then just locate your MP3 file from your documents. So for this example, I'm just going to be uploading this MP3 file over here, and then you'll need to give this a few seconds to upload into your VoiceMod. Now as you can see, this song has now been added to my library down here, and then if we click play, that's going to start playing on our computer. Now of course, just by pressing play over here is not going to make the sound come out of your microphone. In order to achieve this, we need to change some settings depending on the application that you are using. Now I'm going to show you an example for Discord, but of course you can follow along with these steps regardless of the application you're using. So whether it's a game or a third-party application you're trying to get sound to come out from, the steps are pretty much the same. So I'm just going to head over to my Discord application, and then we're going to come over to our user settings at the bottom here. And like I just mentioned, if you are on a third-party application, we just basically need to locate our voice and sound settings. So inside of Discord, that's this voice and video section at the bottom down here. The only thing we need to change inside of here is this input device. Now at the moment, all of our sound from Discord is being recorded from our microphone, and we need to change that to this VoiceMod over here. What this is going to do is it's still going to record our voice and our microphone, but it's going to run through this third-party application of VoiceMod, which will allow you to play sounds and music inside of Discord. So once you've selected VoiceMod from here, we're just going to scroll down, and there's a couple of settings that we need to change. First setting is this input sensitivity. Now it's super important that we disable this in order for VoiceMod to work. So once you've got this disabled, then just scroll down once more, and then down at the bottom you should see echo cancellation. Again, we need to disable this, and also noise suppression, you need to set this to none. And the reason for this is these two options are basically to cancel out any background noise. So if you have these two options enabled, then it might detect your music as background noise and try and reduce or cancel out that sound, which is obviously not what we want. So make sure these two options are disabled, and then we can close out of this window, and you'll now be able to play sound out of your microphone via the Discord application. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you play music from your microphone. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.